just a Denver boot. Oh, it's ice cream. Okay. And you can't. No. Hello, everybody. It's haircut time. I am Barber Mother Rabbit. And this is Father Rabbit. He's getting a little too furry.
Poppa Hop.
Sorry. He's Poppa Hop. And we call this hairstyle the... You call it the...
Huh?
The cute.
Oh.
Andrew's hair grows sideways more than it grows upwards, so he gets very fluffy and round in the head area, and we call it the Q-tip. So he does need a little trim every now and then, as most men do. And I've been cutting your hair off and on for as long as we've known each other, right?
Yeah.
How much money do you think in the past 11 plus years, how much money do you think you've spent on haircuts? Because you have gotten a haircut a few times at least. Would you say
$300?
Yeah, maybe in 11 plus years, maybe like 10 haircuts or so. Yeah. So this is our default. This is such a huge money saver. I actually cut my own hair and I highlight my own hair, which I can make a whole other video about. I'm not a professional. I don't have any professional experience, but I do have a lot of experience in doing things myself to save money. If you are interested in cutting your husband's hair or your son's hair, which I also do.
You do it to me, Mama.
I do. I cut your hair all the time. And Camden's now. All you have to do is get yourself a trusty little buzzer. It comes with all the attachments with different settings. I always forget what I used the last time. And also, this really only works if your husband is kind of low maintenance, like Andrew doesn't really care. Every time I cut his hair, is it always perfect? Nah. But he looks good. I think I do a pretty good job, and I've gotten good at it over the years. The main thing you want to focus on is picking a setting that will be good and nice and clean around the sides and the back, and then I usually leave it a little longer on top. Sometimes I'll get out the hair cutting scissors if he wants me to keep it much longer on the top, but I really just kind of play around with it as I go, and he's pretty good about it. Low maintenance, easygoing husbands for the win. All right, just like your wife, right? Just like this setting is 3/8 of an inch. I usually go somewhere between like 1/4 and 1/2 inch, depending on my mood or which one of these things I can find first. I hear so much noise going on. The girls are singing 4 town songs inside. They're being really loud, which probably means Camden's gonna wake up from his nap soon, so I'm gonna do this quickly. And then I don't know if I have enough pictures for this. Okay, so then I'm just gonna start in the front here. Have hair all over the porch for months when I do this, because we're really bad at cleaning it up. Oh, still stepping in that ice cream. Oh, another cool thing is I actually have a mirror on our wall here on the porch, which was kind of half decorative and half because sometimes Andrew cuts his own hair. He does a pretty good job. If I don't have time, what percentage of husbands would you say would be okay with their wives cutting their hair? What percentage? Very few? Okay, so nobody's going to get anything out of this. Then I just kind of hold it at an angle as I go up towards the top, because I don't want there to be like a huge difference between the buzzed part and the fluffy part. So I just hold it at an angle. I'm pressing it against the lower part and holding it angled up towards the higher part, and I'm just cutting and watching as I go. The best thing about cutting a guy's hair is if something goes wrong, you just buzz it and it grows back in a few weeks. You can start again. Just make him some cookies or cook him a nice dinner and he'll forgive you. This actually already looks really good. Just so simple. that looks perfect the way it is, and if he wants to, he can use a little gel or wax to style it up. All right, so I'm gonna take this off and just have the straight buzzer. This part you wanna be a little careful with. You don't wanna do anything crazy. I'm not gonna do any lightning bolts or anything. I'm just gonna kind of go with a natural hairline, but make it really clean. Here, you wanna turn to the side a little bit? I'm gonna go with the natural hairline here and just pull it down. And maybe if you're not married yet and you guys are dating, this might be a good test of your relationship. If you guys can handle this, handle what? And then of course, as needed, you're gonna wanna go all the way down the back of the neck. Okay, so in about 11 years, we've spent maybe a few hundred on haircuts overall. How much have we saved, do you think?
1,000.
1,000, you think?
More, thousands.
Thousands. And what about with me cutting my own hair?
That's one thing.
Oh, you're thinking like thousands because of like
Yeah.
cutting your hair on mine? Yeah, cutting and coloring my own hair, oh my gosh, definitely have saved thousands. The last time I got a professional haircut, or a professional color, the last time I was at a hair salon was a few weeks, probably the week before we got married, 10.5 years ago. All right, that looks really good. I'm happy with it. We're gonna let Andrew take a look in the mirror. Is that even on both sides? Huh? You don't even want to look in the mirror? Make sure you get a kiss. Oh, I gotta shave your ears.
Like a real rabbit.
Oh, I have to shave his ears. Okay, with this buzz like that. I forgot about this part. Is this something we've always had to do, or is this like a you're getting older thing? Okay, so as Father Rabbit, our Pop has aged, he has gotten the old man long hairs on his ears. So we're gonna just give them a little trim. Shave the old bunny ears. Forgot about that. Alright, let me take a look. You look so handsome. Look at you. I'd marry you all over again. Take a look at the back. Okay, this is just, oh sorry. This is just where his glasses, oh my gosh, I can actually feel where your, does that hurt?
No.
The indent of where your glasses hit against your head. So he's gonna take a shower and get all that extra stuff off, but there's the clean hairline in the back. Obviously there's like just hair all over the place, but I did just his sideburns area a little bit, and you can see that it kind of gets, it goes from that buzz, that 3/8 of an inch, and just kind of like goes up into, I don't know, this is probably like 2 inches long. I cut it pretty short last time I cut it, so I just left this on top. Next time I'll probably get out the scissors, or I'll do like a 1 inch or 1.5 inch buzz. It looks good, babe. Look in the mirror and tell me what you think. Say, mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the handsomest rabbit of all?
Me.
Poppa Hop. Mirror on the porch for the win. I think it looks really good. All right, you can go take a shower and get all that extra hair off, and then we'll get on with our day. Can you smile? Okay. This is Father Rabbit fresh out of the shower after his haircut. So fresh and so clean. Yes. Very good, very good. Still a little fluffy on the top, still fluffy and furry. It's a little bit wet.
What does this say?
Cam, what's your name? Okay. Wow.